As India recorded more than 2 lakh new COVID-19 infection last Saturday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held an election rally in the West Bengal town of Asansol and tweeted, "I have never seen such huge crowds." Slammed across the social, political, and business spectrum for perceived indifference to India leading under a COVID-19 wave, the Biden-Harris dispensation jolted into action on Sunday, pledging to commandeer all possible supplies and resources to help New Delhi in its struggle to contain the pandemic. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS on Saturday made an appeal to people to come forward with a spirit of urgency and service to tackle the challenges of the pandemic and meet any shortage, while also cautioning against the possible attempts of anti-India force to exploit the crisis. In view of surging COVID-19 cases in India, Kuwait has indefinitely suspended all commercial flights from the country with immediate effect. Senior Indian off-spinner Ravichandran Ashwin has decided to take a break from the ongoing Indian Premier League, saying that his family is currently putting up a fight against COVID-19 and he wants to support them. With case hitting an all-time high and hospitals struggling to cope, COVID-19 has had a devastating effect on India and its people. Keeping the current situation in mind, Google has stepped in with funding for medical supply and also to help communities in general. In a move that will turn ONGC into a lame duck, the Oil Ministry has drawn up plans to carve up the country's largest explorer into smaller entities, sell stake in its major producing and upcoming fields to private companies and privatize its small discoveries. The centre on Sunday moved in with a fresh set of measures aimed at immediately increasing medical oxygen supply by over 20% while seeking to set up 51 dedicated medical oxygen generation plants at public health facilities across district headquarters using funds from PM CARES. With more than half of Bhopal's COVID-19 cases under home isolation, Desi Jugaad is coming to the rescue for many in the need. Oxygen cylinders with auto machine builders, ice cream factories and other small-scale industry units are being fitted with basic apparatus to double up as oxygen cylinders for the COVID-19 patients. Bollywood actor Irfan Khan and costume designer Bhanu Athia were among late screen icons who were paid tribute along with Sean Connery, Christopher Plummer and Chadwick Boseman at the 93rd Academy Awards on Monday.